Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a poor farmer named Ahmed. He owned a small piece of land and worked hard every day from sunrise to sunset. Although he was not rich, he was known throughout the village for his honesty and kindness. One day, while plowing his field, Ahmed found a small bag buried in the soil. Curious, he opened it and discovered that it was full of gold coins. For a moment, he thought about how the money could change his life. He could buy more land, build a bigger house, and provide a better future for his family. However, Ahmed knew that the gold did not belong to him. He decided to find the rightful owner. He went to the village chief and reported what he had found. The chief announced the discovery throughout the village. A few days later, an old merchant came forward. He explained that he had lost a bag of gold while traveling through the village many years ago. After confirming the details, the chief determined that the gold truly belonged to the merchant. The merchant was amazed by Ahmed's honesty. As a reward, he offered Ahmed half of the gold coins. At first, Ahmed politely refused, but the merchant insisted. Finally, Ahmed accepted the reward with gratitude. From that day on, Ahmed's life improved. More importantly, he earned the respect and admiration of everyone in the village. People trusted him and often came to him for advice. After receiving the reward, Ahmed continued to live a simple life. He did not waste the gold on luxury. Instead, he bought better seeds, repaired his house, and helped his neighbors during difficult times. One year, a severe drought struck the village. The crops dried up, and many families struggled to find food, while others worried about their future. Ahmed opened his grain storage and shared food with those in need. The villagers were deeply grateful. They remembered how Ahmed had always been honest and generous. Together, they worked to build a large community well so that everyone could have access to water. Months later, the rains finally returned. The fields became green again, and the harvest was better than ever. The villagers believed that their unity and kindness had helped them overcome the difficult times. One day, the village chief called a meeting and said, "Ahmed has taught us that true wealth is not gold or land. True wealth is honesty, kindness, and a willingness to help others." The villagers applauded, and Ahmed humbly replied, "I only did what I believed was right." When we help each other, everyone becomes stronger. From then on, Ahmed was known not only as the honest farmer, but also as the wisest man in the village. His story was told for generations, inspiring children and adults alike to live with honesty and compassion. Years passed, and Ahmed's reputation spread far beyond his village. Travelers often stopped to meet the honest farmer whose kindness and integrity had become legendary. One day, a young man named Karim arrived at Ahmed's farm. Karim wanted to become successful, and he asked, "What is the secret to a happy and prosperous life?" Ahmed smiled and replied, "There is no secret. Work hard, speak the truth, and treat others with respect. Success follows those who do the right thing even when no one is watching." Karim decided to stay in the village and learn from Ahmed. Every morning, he helped in the fields and listened carefully to Ahmed's advice. Over time, Karim became hardworking, patient, and honest. A few years later, Ahmed grew old. The villagers worried about who would guide them when he was gone. During a village gathering, Ahmed stood up and said, "A village does not need one wise person. It needs many honest people." He pointed to Karim and several other young villagers who had learned the value of honesty and service. They promised to continue helping others and to lead by example. When Ahmed eventually retired from farming, the entire village celebrated his life and contributions. Children sang songs, elders shared stories, and everyone thanked him for the lessons he had taught them. As the sun set that evening, Ahmed looked across the green fields and smiled. He realized that his greatest achievement was not the gold he had found years ago, but the values he had planted in the hearts of others. From generation to generation, the story of the honest farmer was told, reminding people that honesty, hard work, kindness are treasures more valuable than gold.